Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today, we're learning how to round whole numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. Rounding helps us find a nearby number that is easier to work with. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Understanding what rounding means. Rounding to the nearest 10, rounding to the nearest 100, and rounding to the nearest 1000. Rounding means finding a number that is close and easier to use. But rounding is not guessing. We still follow a rule. Rounding means replacing a number with a nearby number that is easier to use. For example, 4,267 rounds to about 4,300 when we round to the nearest hundred. Rounded numbers are not always exact. A rounded number is an estimate. Rounding helps us think quickly and check if answers make sense. But rounding is not guessing. We use place value and follow a rule. Here is the rounding rule. First, find the place you are rounding to. Then, look at the digit to the right. If the digit to the right is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the rounding place stays the same. If the digit to the right is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the rounding place goes up by 1. Remember, 4 or less, stay. 5 or more, round up. Let's round 4,267 to the nearest 10. The tens place is the 6. Now look to the right. The ones digit is 7. Since 7 is 5 or more, the tens digit goes up. So 4,267 rounds to 4,270. That makes sense because 4,267 is closer to 4,270 than 4,260. Now let's round 4,267 to the nearest 100. The hundreds place is the 2. Look to the right. The tens digit is 6. Since 6 is 5 or more, the hundreds digit goes up. So the 2 becomes 3. 4,267 rounds to 4,300. The rounded number is close and easier to use. Now let's round 4,267 to the nearest 1,000. The thousands place is the 4. Now look to the right. The hundreds digit is 2. Since 2 is 4 or less, the thousands digit stays the same. So 4,267 rounds to 4,000. The rounded answer depends on which place we are rounding to. Look carefully. The same number can round to different answers depending on the place. To the nearest 10, 4,267 rounds to 4,270. To the nearest 100, 4,267 rounds to 4,300. To the nearest 1,000, 4,267 rounds to 4,000. So we must always ask, what place are we rounding to?
Check the place, then look right. 4 or less, hold it tight. 5 or more, raise it 1, round it off, and you are done.
Check the place, look right. 4 or less, hold tight. 5 or more, raise 1, round it off, you're done. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. Round 3,684 to the nearest 10. Correct. 3,680. The tens digit is 8. The ones digit is 4, so the tens place stays the same. Challenge 2. Round 5,749 to the nearest 100. Correct. 5,700. The hundreds digit is 7. The tens digit is 4, so the hundreds place stays the same. Challenge 3. Round 8,562 to the nearest 1,000. Correct. 9,000. The thousands digit is 8. The hundreds digit is 5, so we round up to 9,000. Challenge 4, round 6,450 to the nearest 100. Correct. 6,500. The hundreds digit is 4. The tens digit is 5, so we round up. Let's review what we learned today. You understood what rounding means. You rounded to the nearest 10. You rounded to the nearest 100. And you rounded to the nearest 1,000. Great job completing all of the learning objectives. For rounding whole numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000, you earned the Rounding Ranger Pro badge. Congratulations! Next time, we'll explore a special number system from long ago, Roman numerals, numbers written with letters. See you in Lesson 5. Bye, explorers!